Hey there, viewers! Today we'll explore the worst foods for your gut and learn how to improve gut health naturally in just 14 days. Make sure to stick around until the end to take part in the 14-day gut health challenge. We've included sources of the information in the video description. Gut health is a topic that touches all of us. It's not just about digestion. Your gut health affects your immune system, mental health, and even your skin. A balanced gut microbiome can lead to better mood, higher energy levels, and improved nutrient absorption. On the flip side, poor gut health can cause bloating, fatigue, and a whole bunch of other issues. Understanding gut health, what it means, and its importance in overall health. Gut health refers to the balance and function of the digestive system, particularly the gastrointestinal tract. This system is crucial for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste. But did you know it also houses a significant portion of our immune cells? When your gut is in good shape, it helps protect against infections and diseases. Beyond digestion, your gut has a profound impact on your mental health and mood, thanks to the gut-brain axis. An unhealthy gut can lead to anxiety and depression, while a healthy one promotes well-being and happiness. American Psychological Association. The gut microbiome, a community of trillions of microorganisms living in our intestines, plays a crucial role in this. A balanced microbiome enhances your overall health, while an imbalance can lead to various problems. Worst foods for gut health. Identifying foods that negatively impact your digestive system. Certain foods can wreak havoc on your gut. Processed foods, sugary snacks, fast food, and refined carbs are among the worst offenders. These items are high in unhealthy fats and sugars, disrupting the balance of gut flora and leading to inflammation. Artificial sweeteners, often found in diet sodas and sugar-free products, are another culprit. They might seem like a healthier choice, but they can negatively affect gut bacteria, promoting harmful bacteria growth while inhibiting beneficial strains. Excessive alcohol consumption can also harm your gut. Alcohol irritates the gut lining, leading to increased permeability, or leaky gut. This allows toxins and undigested food particles to enter the bloodstream, triggering inflammation and various health issues. By being mindful of these foods, you can take significant steps toward improving your gut health. Remember, a balanced diet is key to nurturing your digestive system. Signs of poor gut health. Common symptoms indicating digestive distress. Recognizing the signs of poor gut health is crucial for taking proactive steps toward improvement. Common symptoms include bloating and excessive gas. If you frequently feel uncomfortable after meals or notice your stomach swelling, it may indicate an imbalance in your gut microbiome. Irregular bowel movements, whether it's constipation or diarrhea, are also key indicators that your digestive system isn't functioning optimally. But gut health issues don't stop at digestion. Fatigue can also be linked to poor gut health. When your gut isn't absorbing nutrients effectively, it can lead to feelings of tiredness and low energy. Additionally, skin issues like acne, eczema, or rashes can often be traced back to an unhealthy gut. The gut plays a significant role in inflammation and immune response, so when it's out of balance, your skin can suffer. It's essential to pay attention to your body's signals. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it might be time to reassess your diet and lifestyle. Remember, your gut health is a vital part of your overall well-being, and addressing these signs can lead to significant improvements in your quality of life. Natural ways to improve gut health. Actionable tips to enhance your digestive well-being. Improving your gut health naturally doesn't have to be complicated. One of the most effective ways to start is by incorporating more fiber-rich foods into your diet. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are excellent sources of fiber that promote healthy digestion and support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Aim to fill your plate with a colorful variety of these foods to maximize their benefits. Another fantastic way to boost your gut health is by consuming fermented foods. Items like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are packed with probiotics. live bacteria that can enhance your gut microbiome. Adding these foods to your meals can help restore balance and improve digestion. Don't forget the importance of hydration. Drinking plenty of water aids in digestion and helps maintain the mucosal lining of the intestines. Staying hydrated also supports the movement of food through your digestive tract. Lastly, regular exercise plays a vital role in gut health. Physical activity can help reduce stress and promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. By following these simple tips, you can enhance your gut health and overall well-being naturally. Watch until the end to learn about a 14-day gut health challenge to improve your digestive health and achieve optimal gut health. In today's video, so far we explored the critical topic of gut health, highlighting the worst foods that can negatively impact your digestive system, such as processed snacks, artificial sweeteners, and excessive alcohol. We also discussed natural ways to improve gut health, including incorporating fiber-rich foods, enjoying fermented options, and staying hydrated while exercising regularly. Taking action is essential for better gut health. By making mindful dietary choices and adopting healthy habits, you can significantly enhance your digestive well-being and overall quality of life. Now, let's introduce the 14-Day Gut Health Challenge, a plan to improve your digestive well-being. I decided to take on the 14-Day Gut Health Challenge to address my frequent bloating and digestive discomfort. The challenge started with a dietary overhaul, eliminating processed foods and added sugars, while incorporating fiber-rich vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins. Adding probiotics like yogurt and kefir, along with prebiotic foods such as garlic, onions, and bananas, helped nourish my gut bacteria and improve digestion. Staying hydrated with water and herbal teas like peppermint and ginger also soothed my digestive system. In the second week, the challenge emphasized mindful eating and stress reduction. I practiced eating slowly, chewing thoroughly, and listening to my body's hunger cues. Incorporating stress-reducing activities like yoga and meditation further supported my digestive health. By the end of the 14 days, my bloating and discomfort were greatly reduced, and I felt more energetic and balanced. This comprehensive approach was easy to follow and highly effective in achieving and maintaining optimal gut health. Week 1, Dietary Changes Day 1 to 2. Increase fiber intake by adding 2 servings of fruits and vegetables to each meal. Days 3 to 4, introduce fermented foods like yogurt or kimchi into your diet daily. Day 5, eliminate processed foods and sugary snacks, opt for whole foods instead. Day 6 to 7, drink at least 8 glasses of water each day to stay hydrated. Week 2, building habits. Day 8, start a daily exercise routine, aiming for at least 30 minutes of activity. Days 9 to 10, continue with fiber and fermented foods. Try a new recipe featuring these ingredients. Day 11, focus on mindful eating, do slowly and savor each bite. Days 12 to 13, track your progress by noting any changes in symptoms or energy levels. Day 14, reflect on your journey and set goals for maintaining these healthy habits. By following this checklist and tracking your progress, you'll stay motivated and engaged throughout the challenge. Maintaining gut health long-term, strategies for sustaining your digestive well-being. Now, let's talk about how to maintain those positive changes for the long haul. One of the most crucial strategies is to emphasize a balanced diet rich in probiotics and fiber. Continue incorporating fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut into your meals, along with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. This combination will help keep your gut microbiome thriving. Regular check-ins on your gut health and dietary habits are essential. Take time each week to assess how you're feeling and whether any symptoms have resurfaced. Keeping a food diary can help you identify patterns and make necessary adjustments to your diet. Don't overlook the role of stress management and sleep in maintaining gut health. Chronic stress can disrupt the gut microbiome, leading to digestive issues. Incorporate stress-reducing practices like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises into your routine. Additionally, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as restorative sleep is vital for overall health, including gut function. By adopting these strategies, you can sustain your gut health and enjoy the benefits of a balanced, vibrant life. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on gut health and wellness and much more. Check out this related video, and I'll see you in the next one.